method. We can look at exercise 13E, question 10, A, C, E, and F. So we're going to have to apply the log laws in order to solve these, okay? So for the first one, I can use the, apples, competitive apples method to solve this equation. But in order to do that, can you see we have a 2 at the front of the log? In order to compare the logs, whatever's inside the logs, and say apples equals apples, we need to make sure the 2 is taken care of. So we're going to put this 2 up as a power. So we've got log base 10 x squared minus 2x plus 8 on one side, and the other side we've got log base 10 x squared. Now, because they're both log base 10 on both sides, I can say the x squared minus 2x plus 8 and the x squared are the same, because I'm just basically comparing what's inside the logs. Now, I can subtract x squared from both sides, so I'm just left with negative 2x plus 8 equals 0. I move the 2x to the other side, so 8 equals 2x. X must equal to 4 if I divide both sides by 2. That's my A. For C, we do the same thing. Now, can you see we have a front 3 in front of the log? I can move it up the top, so it becomes log base 10 x minus 1 to x minus 1 cubed equals log base 10 8. Now, since they're both log base 10, I can go that equals to that. So x minus 1 cubed equals to 8. I can cube root both sides. The cube root of 8 is 2. And I can solve for x. So x equals to positive 3. For E, we just got to do a bit more work, okay? Because we can see that there's a 2 in front here. I can move at the top. So that becomes log base 10. 5 squared is 25. Plus log base 10 x plus 1. What I can do is I can subtract this from both sides. So I'm going to go subtract log base 10, 2x plus 7 equals 1. Okay, so I can combine this. I can combine all 3 logs together. So 25 would be, so log base 10, 25 would be multiplied, because we're adding the logs, you can use the log law of multiplication of the inside. And then you're subtracting here, so you're dividing by 2x plus 7. Okay, and that equals 1. Now, we can't solve this straight away. What we can do is we can either change it to exponential form by going 10 to the power 1 equals this, which works. 10 to the power 1 is 10. 10 to the power 1 equals this. 7. You're just solving it. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2x plus 7. So 10 times 2x plus 7 would be 20x plus 70 equals 25x plus 1. Let's keep going. Oops, let's keep going. Now, if I go 20x plus 70 equals 25x, I'm going to expand the bracket on the other side, plus 25. We just simply solve for x, okay? So subtract 20x on both sides, so you're left with 5x on this side, and I subtract 25 from the other side. So 70 subtract 25 would be 45. So x would equal 9. You're done. Okay. It's a bit longer than A and B, but it's doable. Okay. For F again, you go through the same methodology. Because you can leave the 1 alone. You can move the 2 to the top, and then subtract it to the other side. Okay, so it will basically be log base 10 2x plus 1 plus log base 10 5x plus 8. You're going to subtract log base 10 x plus 1 all squared, and then that equals 1. So you're going to convert to exponential form, then solve it. So I'm not going to do that one for you. I want you to have a go at F yourself. So hopefully that helps.